Here's this little video I'm making of the shed I just built for the quads. One can go in there and then one can go in that shed over there. It's just something to keep the rain and basically from getting sun faded. I'm gonna put some more plywood for the sides here. Didn't pay a damn thing to make it either. And I don't care that it looks like shit, it works. That's all that matters, right, boys and girls? It works. That's supposed to come out of there. Oh, whatever, we'll leave it there. Yeah. The old Arctic Cat's sitting in the shed there. Yeah, I Grant's gonna leave it out here for now. Anyways, yeah, that's the shed I made. Just made her in, I don't know, 2 hours. Sturdy. It's all made out of skids. It's awesome. Like and subscribe to Bratman. Yeah, buddy.